Knowledge gained in medical coding and billing course. The medical coding and billing course allowed me to gain many ideas about the technology-oriented renovation of medical management. Such an approach significantly alleviates the treatment's financial and resource management aspects. One of the practical lessons I have learned during the course is that coding and billing require a lot of technological knowledge. The information about special medical software and national diagnostic and coding systems is pretty easy to apply in practice. Another lesson is that the medical insurance system is cyclic. The particular patterns and rules to manage the expenditures are typical for many medication organizations. The last essential lesson I have learned is that medical billing and coding are crucial processes that ensure the efficiency of the whole medical organization. One of the most challenging aspects of the course was analyzing and comprehending the charts of codes, regardless of the services provided. Another problem that I faced during the course was the understanding that this profession requires subsequent technological adaptation to new coding programs. To overcome these difficulties, I plan to expand my knowledge and experience of how particular programs work and which differentiating features, pros, and cons they have. It is also essential for me to practice more in coding to get accustomed to matching all the medication terms necessary for accurate coding. After taking this course, I still believe that billing and coding suit me. Even though it is pretty complicated and requires a profound knowledge of medicine and computing, it supports the rational functioning of the treatment. I have always thought about work combining medicine and technology to provide high-quality treatment for patients. From my point of view, this discipline allows the development of Medicare. Thus, I will strive to gain further experience and knowledge in this field to become a profound specialist.